Ross, what's with all these chickens out here?
They are coming to get fed, and they're all going to be back in their pen in just a minute.
Well, they chase the truck.
Yes.
So they know the truck, huh?
They know the truck has feed or something. They just don't know what. Look behind us.
Yeah, they're chasing the truck. It's almost like a scene from Jurassic Park.
Now look, they're coming out.
Oh my goodness, look at this. They're going to get run over, man. Chicken under a brick. These are all egg-laying chickens. They're red sex links. Yeah, let me get out of here. Oh, dude. Here they come. Glad they're not velociraptors.